In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website's interactivity by adding a progress bar to your form. This feature helps guide your users smoothly through multi-step forms, providing them with a visual indication of their progress and improving their overall experience. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, make sure you're on your website editor. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in the editor, it's time to add your form element. Look for the Add button, typically located at the sidebar on your editor. Click on it and then navigate down to the Form section. Choose the form that best matches the purpose of your website. It might be a contact form, a survey, or any custom form you've previously created. Drag the form onto your page, finding a spot where it fits seamlessly into your design. Now that your form is ready, let's add the progress bar. This step begins with accessing the App Market, which is your go-to place for additional website features. You should find the App Market in the sidebar. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Progress Bar. Press Enter, and you'll see various widgets displayed. Look through these options for a progress bar that suits your aesthetic and functional needs. Select it by clicking Add to Site, which will place the progress bar onto your form automatically. With the progress bar on your page, the next step is to link it to the specific steps in your form. While still in the editor, click on your form. You should see an option for Settings. Click on Settings and then look for a section labeled Steps or Form Steps. Here, you will outline each step of your form by specifying what happens on each page or section. It's important to be clear and detailed, as this will guide the progress bar in accurately reflecting the user's progress. Now click on your progress bar. You'll see customization options. Somewhere in there, you should find a link to steps or similar feature. Go ahead and enable it. This feature will connect the progress bar with each form step you've defined, ensuring that as users fill out each part of your form, the progress bar updates accordingly. If needed, adjust the appearance of the bar to fit your design preferences. You might change the color to match your brand, adjust the size, or reposition it on the page as necessary. Finally, preview your website to see how the progress bar interacts with your form. Click through your form as if you were a user, watching how the progress bar updates with each step. If everything works as planned, congratulations, you've successfully added a progress bar to your form. Remember, making the form filling process intuitive and rewarding is key to engaging users and collecting